welding rods are flat. How do you like that? That off.
Now I'm gonna let you in, baby, but you don't take me wrong. Make me change my mind, I send you right out the door, yeah.
So you can see where the eye came off again, but I'm gonna weld it back on.
And if you can't get around,
Now this thing here is the hair. I'm gonna hammer this round right here and hammer it round, and this is gonna be the hair. And I'm gonna be welding strips off of this.